Thank you. Dito tayo sa Kung Fu Panda ngayon mga G. Mababasa-basa tayo dito eh. Thank you. You too. Si best friend. Naka-express ba naman eh? Ikaw ba naman naka-express? Dadaanan mo lang yung mga yan, G. Yeah. Oy, na-traffic pa rin.
Rika, lights! That could have got better. Time, boys, places. Let's put on a show. Hey, where's my macchiato?
Hey, I'm Poppy, and it's almost showtime. Please step all the way into the theater.
It's showtime.
And I want to see big smiles. We can't start the show with anyone being mystery properly.
Nakakatakot to mga G. Extreme na ata ito eh. Extreme ba ito, Bab?
Yeah.
Extreme na to. May hilo-hilo na ako dito agad.
Oh, you're such a good son. Oh, hey, you there, Mr. Butterfingers. Be careful with that. Hang on, everybody. This should be quite a ride. Imperial Palace, here we come. Emperor. Watch for the spikes. Oh, the liquid of ultimate power.
Grabe, napaka-intense na itong ride na to. Nakakatakot. Muntikan na ako maihi. Hindi ko kaya to.
Paano mo alam?